From the beginning of time, mankind has craved freedom and independence. Oh! At some point, everyone longs to spread their wings and live on their own terms. Aha! If not, chances are you're either living in diapers or pretty close to it.
Mom, where's my chicken nuggies?
Being self-sufficient isn't as easy as it looks.
Mom!
You have to solve your own problems and handle all the challenges that life throws at you. So today, we give you 3 tips on how to be self-sufficient.
Number 1, develop essential life skills. If you want to be self-sufficient, you have to take care of yourself, which means basically doing everything your mom does for you now. I mean, how are you supposed to survive if you can't make yourself lunch? Or wash your clothes?
Guess it's the trunks again today.
So let's start with the most essential of essentials, food. Don't panic, you don't have to be Gordon Ramsay. You can start with simple things like pasta, scrambled eggs, or a simple stir fry. As you get more confident, try new things. Next, let's talk about the dreaded chore, laundry. We all know how it feels for piles of clothes to take over our life. Everywhere you turn, there's a new pile telling you that you're a failure.
My brother, you are a failure.
Reminding you that even your clean clothes probably look like dirty clothes and smell like the cat that's been on. So what's the answer? Good habits. When you get home from school or work, resist the urge to toss your clothes into the nearest pile. Take an extra 5 seconds and put your clothes into a designated hamper. Hamper. Hamper! When the hamper gets full, don't just keep piling clothes around it waiting for a hamper fairy to come and take the clothes away. Put the clothes in the washer. It's a simple process. Although I do recommend washing your white clothes separately, unless you want your white clothes to become pink clothes.
I like that pink shirt.
It's supposed to be white and a dress.
If you aren't sure how to start the washer and dryer, it's usually as simple as just setting it to normal and pressing on. I know, it's crazy. Just don't forget to add some detergent, unless you would like to continue smelling like a cat.
Hey!
Then, when the load is done, make it a personal policy to fold the clothes immediately before adding another pile to your room. Next on the list of essentials is safety. It's important to keep some basic safety items in your home, like a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, and smoke detectors that actually have batteries in them. It's also a good idea to take a CPR course and maybe some self-defense lessons. Because sometimes weird things happen, like being attacked by your grandma because you used her favorite decorative towel to clean up chocolate milk.
Grandma, I'm trying!
It happens, you know?
Number 2, earn your own money. If you've ever had to ask someone to spot you, you know how uncomfortable that is.
That'll be 1747, sweetheart.
Hey man, could you spot me a few bucks by any chance? I'll give you a sip.
Asking others for money should always be your last resort.
Beat it, kid.
Whether that be your family, friends, or even the government, you need to learn how to make money and manage it. If you have a new pair of kicks but can't afford rent, you might need to reconsider your choices.
Read it and weep. Next time, try paying your rent.
You may think you can afford new things when you buy them, but life has a way of throwing unexpected expenses your way, whether it be an unplanned lunch with a friend or an unplanned trip to the emergency room.
My leg!
So make sure you plan your spending and have savings for emergencies. If you're struggling to make enough money, keep an eye out for job opportunities. In the meantime, focus on making yourself the kind of person people want to hire. Develop a good work ethic, practical skills, and a job resume for whatever opportunity might pop up. And don't be afraid to embrace your inner entrepreneur. If you have a creative way to make money on your own, do it. Work hard and build your own business. This is America, after all.
Yeah! We're gonna be rich.
Step 3, learn to problem solve. Let's face it, life presents us with many problems. Becoming self-sufficient is about knowing how to rise to the occasion and face the problems head on. People who don't learn how to problem solve let their problems pile up and overwhelm them.
There's too many problems.
It's the perfect way to live a terrible, stressful life. Solving problems isn't easy, but it's far better than letting your problems defeat you. So here are some quick tips on problem solving. Identify the problem, break it down, and understand it inside and out. Gain perspective. When you're in the middle of the problem, it can seem a lot bigger than it actually is. So back away and give yourself some time to reflect on it. Think creatively. Consider the problem from every possible angle. Write down all the possible solutions and consider the advantages and disadvantages. Then choose a solution and take action. Don't give up. If your first solution doesn't work, then just keep trying new things until you find one that does. If you're really stuck, ask for help. It's okay to seek advice from older, more mature people.
Are you an older, more mature people?
And as you encounter problems, learn from them. Everyone makes mistakes. Successful people just use them as an opportunity to grow.
In conclusion, being self-sufficient isn't easy, but it's worth it. At the end of the day, being strong and independent not only feels amazing, it sets you up for a successful life. So let's recap on how to be self-sufficient. Number 1, develop essential life skills. Number 2, earn and manage your own money. And number 3, learn to problem solve. Thank you for watching this how-to video for PragerU. Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.
You got this. We believe in you. Okay? Do better.
That'll be 1747, sweetheart. It'll be 1747.
Woo! Yeehaw!